Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to have brunch at this place called Drunch in Mayfair, London. So I'm going to take you guys with me on the little trip. I've got my cousin and a friend here with me, but I don't know if I'm going to camera. Either way, you gotta see them. So yeah guys, if you want to see what we're going to get up to, it's going to be really cute. So you definitely want to see what we're going to get up to, but definitely keep watching the video. We're just going to catch our taxi now. It's my cousin and our friend. And the taxi, for whatever reason, is across the road, even though I put the pin on this side of the street. Anyways, we move. That's the taxi over there. And then this is just the general area. So we just finished having brunch at Drunch. Such a cute name, but where do we begin? Okay, so this place is really cute, right? And we knew that when we got here we would have to wait because they don't take bookings. Like, you just get there and you get sat if there's a place to sit. If not, you have to wait. So we waited like probably 30 minutes before we got sat, and then great, fine, whatever. But like when we first got there, the lady didn't tell us we have to stand in a queue on the other side of the road. So we were just standing around and I was like taking pictures and whatever. Then she then tells us, like, after other people have stood in the queue, that, oh, you need to stand on the other side of the road. And I was like, oh, but you didn't tell us that when we first got here. She's like, I told you guys that. It was like, no, you only told us about the wait time. You didn't tell us that we need to go stand on the other side of the road. Or whatever. Fine. So 30 minutes later we get sat, right? No worries. But then okay, so I got cut off, but like basically the reason we chose the place because it was like a super cute spot. Like the place is really beautiful and really cute, but we sat down and then another set of girls sat down after us, and then instead of the lady coming to take our order, she went to take the order of the people sitting next to us as opposed to taking our orders because we sat down first. So I was like, excuse me, sorry, we were sat first, so can you take our order? And she's like, oh sorry, I thought you guys were looking at the menu. It's like, okay, we're not looking at the menu. And she didn't even check. It was she didn't even check. Right, fine. Then we ordered stuff, and my friend ordered something, only for them to come back like almost 10 minutes later to say, oh, that thing is not on the menu. You were probably looking at the menu for the wrong branch. Mind you, they gave us a thing to scan to find the menu, so we were definitely not looking at the menu for the wrong branch. Opened the menu and showed her that the item was on their menu. It's like, oh sorry, we didn't make that, we didn't make that. Fine, cool, whatever. Then we get the food, and the food looks amazing. Oh my gosh, it looks great, it looks really, really cute. But it does not taste great. Like, I ordered pancakes. Pancakes were literally just okay, and Unati ordered, I'll wait for you guys outside. Unati ordered a wrap, like a chicken wrap, fried chicken wrap. It really just tasted okay. She said the chicken wasn't seasoned. And then my friend, she ordered, what did she order? She ordered some bread, some salmon, and some sausages. And the sausages were okay, but like the service was just really like the service was really bad. Like if you want to go there for aesthetics, then that's fine. You can go there to take pictures, whatever. The food looks good, but it doesn't taste great. Like don't go there expecting that you're gonna get great food. Like it's not too expensive, so it's not like you're paying an arm and a leg and then you're like, oh my gosh, that was food. So that's fine. But yeah, that was basically our experience with the place. Now we're in Oxford Street. It's very busy because like the weather is actually quite pleasant, and my friends are inside the booth, so I'm gonna go join them because I'm literally out in the streets and vlogging and people are like staring as they go past. So yeah, but I will show you guys whatever we get up to. I just wanted to put in that little vent of the place that we went to because the service was really bad, the food was really mediocre, but it looked cute, so you know, and they don't have alcohol, but you can't fault them for not having alcohol because like, it's a halal place. But yeah, that was basically it. I really wish I didn't go because then I wouldn't have had to put my mask on in the first place.
Yeah, but you're okay, you didn't have any.
Who wants to be in my video? No one? No one? No one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so guys, when you get your wine, first you have to swirl to get the aroma out.
Oh shit.
Not that hard. Just a little gentle swirl. Okay, and you get the aroma of wine out. Then you have to smell. Now this is very important. Okay, you have to put your nose into the glass to get that smell of the aroma. That's a lot. Once you waste and take that all in, okay, and then when you're done, break, right? Once you're done, you then taste. So you have to let it sit in your tongue for a bit so that that flavor really gets into your taste buds. And you have to stick a finger out. Okay, you have to be pretentious when you do this. Make sure you stick your pinky finger out. Pretentious face. Normally, if you went wine tasting, you would spit it out. So we paid good money for this wine and we're not going to waste it, okay? We walked an hour.
People drinking this wine. No one is saying this.
No, not even a little bit. Check that. That is how you pretend like you know how to wine taste when you go to an expensive place and you get some wine. You're welcome. Clink, clink. Oh my god. It was just
Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back.
Oh my gosh, we just got home now, and like, yeah, we had a beautiful and eventful day, despite everything that happened in between. We had a good day. I think the company was the most important thing about the day, and that made it good. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. This is the end of it. Oh, what I forgot to mention about the brunch place though. So I ordered eggs on the side with my pancakes, right? And I asked for 2 eggs because the girl was like, are you sure one's gonna be enough? So I was like, okay, fine, make it 2 eggs. Did they not give me my 2 eggs in 2 separate plates? 2 separate plates for 1 person. Anyways, guys, we rated that place a 5 out of 10, and honestly what saved it was the aesthetics of the place and of the food. Otherwise the food was average. The service was really terrible. Like, I personally wouldn't go back there because I just feel like it's not worth it, you know. And yeah, that was our day. We had lots of fun, which is all that matters. That's all that matters, to be honest. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video and you thought it was fun, definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye.